Hello, people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is fine on your end. Your studies are going good and you are taking precautionary measures. You are safe at your houses. So, today, what happened is while I was scrolling through Telegram, LinkedIn, I found some of the most bizarre reasons, yet very serious reasons, for which the result of CA final students and IPCC students got withheld. Now we put lot of efforts. We put our heart, we put our sweat, we put our blood into preparing for the examination, and just one action can put all that efforts into waste. And we don't even know that we are doing that mistake, and it can again waste all your efforts. So that is why I'm making this video, and you must watch this video up to the end and share it with your friends who are giving examination on May and further attempts. Now let's discuss some of the reasons why our result gets withheld. First, let me point out some technical reasons which I say खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारने वाले reasons. First is not completing your advanced ITT or MCS for before examination. Now this is only for new syllabus students because all syllabus students are exempted for this. That means they can do their advanced ITT and MCS after examination. Second, not uploading attested copy of image or signature. Third, shortage of articleship period. Your 2.5 years has not been completed and you have given your exams. Not clearing article practical test. We have articleship practical test going on recently, and if you have not cleared that, you won't be able to see your results. You have some issue with your course registration. Your course registration has been expired. You have provided certificate of your advanced ITT and MCS, but that certificate is the certificate is not the correct certificate, right? If you have done any unfair means, and if you have practiced any malpractices during the examination, if you have any materials inside the examination hall which was not allowed, this will include in your unfair means. So if you are doing this above things, so definitely you are not gonna see your result anytime sooner. Now this was a technical reason, so we generally don't do mistakes in these technical reasons. We do mistakes in other reasons. Now this have to be listened very carefully. First, write in roll number where it is not asked. Only on the first page where we write the how many answers we have attended. Only in that page we have asked to write our roll number, and you just have to write your roll number there only. And other than that, if you are writing your roll number anywhere on the answer sheet, either in all pages or only on a single page, you won't be able to see your results. If you're writing your mobile number, if you're writing your address, that's a no-no. If you're making some unusual symbols, like you're drawing emojis, you're drawing smileys, you're drawing flowers, again your result may get withheld. You're writing God's name. Generally, people have practiced before starting their answer, they write Om on the top corner of the paper. We write Jai Shri Krishna, we write Sri, we write Jesus. Not at all allowed. We try to be funny and we write sir please 40 दे दो, sir please 60 दे दो. आपको रिजल्ट देखने का भी मौका नहीं मिलेगा. प्रेयर्स, पोएम्स नॉट अलाउड. एनी सिंपैथेटिक ग्राउंड कि सर कोविड हुआ था, अच्छे से तैयारी नहीं हुई, 40 दे दो, नॉट अलाउड. किसी की डेथ का रीज़न देना आंसर शीट में नहीं कर सकते हैं ये सब. एंड अगेन दिस is the most bizarre reason I saw is a guy wrote thank you at the end of the paper and his result was withheld. Saw this post on LinkedIn and I was like I have to share it. See, we do this type of mistakes absent-mindedly, and the price we have to pay for this is very high. So these are some of other reasons. Now I have 2 and 3 more reasons which I'm not very sure. Recently what happened during November attempt was there was a war going on in Twitter between the students and ICAI about the cancellation and postponement of the examinations, and during that war some of the students mailed their respective center that they must follow the COVID guidelines and or else they will take the center's name into higher authorities. Now what happened is many centers mailed ICAI that students are mailing these things. So ICAI even came with a warning that you couldn't do these things, and if you will do these things, a strict action will be taken. So now I saw 2 or 3 posts in Telegram channel that their results were withheld, and in bracket they wrote that they mailed the centers. Now that may be the reason, or there may be something other reasons. But yeah, ICI issued the warning that there will be a strict action taken. So this may be a reason for your result getting withheld. So make sure you don't blindly follow derogatory comments on ICI. You have to pay prices for that. And even again, this one I'm not sure ki this result was withheld because of invigilator's fault. He a guy took additional sheet and the invigilator signed in that, which he was not supposed to do, and the result got withheld. Anyhow, it was resolved in 2 to 3 days. So these are some of the reasons for which you cannot see your results. So to stop this, to not getting your results withheld, you have to follow admit card guidelines very seriously. It's no joke. You have whatever has been written in admit card, you have to follow that. Follow all the instructions, nothing extra. Don't ignore any instruction or don't do anything extra. And third thing which you can do is be very mindful so that you won't do any mistake unknowingly.